I don't need validation to tell me who I am. I'm human. I live the situation, and I've learned to understand. There's no such thing as limitation.
Back to the Israelites, my world, and I went on a tour to Caribelle, and I decided to take you guys along with me. They do tie-dye here and other stuff. They also keep wedding there, guys. So if you're in St.Kitts or if you're thinking about getting married, this is the place to go.
Caribelle,
it's super pretty. Like everything was amazing, guys. It's a great place to get married, guys. I really enjoyed my little visit there. So yeah, and this is me taking you guys inside. So enjoy.
Huh? Oh. Good morning. Good morning.
I will explain what to here. The antidote is called batik. The batik is the process of waxing and dyeing. The wax is used to protect colors from each other and so we start to wipe with some fabric. The trace and design on the first in pencil from an artist's drawing. We then apply a mixture of hot beeswax and pumpkin wax onto the areas we want to stay white. To apply the wax in the 5 areas with a tool, it is called a janting tool or a wax pen. For white areas, it's a normal paintbrush. After waxing everyone is still white, you take it off the frame, dip in a cold water, color fast dye. This has been dipped into the dye. The white areas is where the wax first, the wax is still on. And we want to take some of this color, we then apply more wax. We continue waxing and dyeing until we have all the colors. If we need 5 colors, we'll wax it and dye it 5 times. To remove the wax, we boil it for 30 minutes. The wax rises to the top, we skim it off. Most of it can be recycled. This is our masterpiece. That is 5 colors, 5 waxing, 5 dyeing, 9 days work. That piece we're filling for steps of the wall here, from trace all the way across the final product. The more colors, the longer it takes. Now to tell genuine that you can take it and you reverse. And if it's not reversible, it's not batik. It has to be the same on both sides. There is no right or wrong side. So that the batik is done. Any questions?
No. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, David.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too.
Hi.
So these are the pay not the pay, sorry. This is what they make here. So guys, if you want any tie and dye shirt, blanket, you can get them at Caribelle's boutique. Guys, this is me showing you the beautiful view. In the end of the video, you guys going to see me inserting pictures that I took with the monkey. I was scared, but I enjoyed taking a picture with the monkey. Guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and tell a friend about the HG as well. Bye.